there it is. I got this for $20, if I remember right, off of Deal Extreme, one of my favorite websites, and it was a pretty good alarm clock. The only problem is that it was advertised that you could not turn it off without the propeller flying. This is what it looks like when it alarms. Now, that works pretty good for waking up some people, but as you can tell by my purchase decision of an alarm clock, it just doesn't quite do it for me. I need something slightly more annoying. Now, here's a spoiler for all those that are interested in alarm clock. You can turn it off with your finger. Now, I remedied this by taking it apart, and I took these two wires from inside to the top of the plastic body, and then a second wire running around, a single piece of wire around the body of the propeller. Now, this was a pretty easy modification. All I had to do was take it apart. Right here, underneath these little foam feet are screws, which you just unscrew. And then you'll see this little clicky switch on here. Just take all that out, take off the wires, and run it up to the top like that. I rate the difficulty about a 1 out of 5. Something that I highly recommend that you do. It makes the alarm clock oh so much more annoying. Here it is. This alarm clock is decently loud. Also, you wanted to make sure that the wires on your helicopter body are long enough to reach the other ones with a little bit of spare to make it easier, because you're going to be doing this about 20 seconds after waking up, trying to connect these two. And here it goes. Alrighty. As you can see, I can't turn it off, no matter how much I try, in my anger, first thing after waking up. So I find the helicopter body, touch the two little wires, and it turns off. There you go. Alrighty, the Deal Extreme flying alarm clock with modification.